So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to summarize any YouTube video. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here open youtube.com. Now here, play any video. For example, let's play this video. Now you can pause the video if you want. After this, click on this Ask Gemini button on the top right corner. And by default, as you can see here, this tab is selected. Now here let's type summarize this video in 20 points. Press enter. And now wait for a few seconds. And this will start generating the summary of the video in 20 points. And now as you can see here, the summary is generated with timestamps. For example, the first feature is Samsung clock faces at 0043 seconds. In a similar way, you can see here 20 points are generated. Now as you can see here, this video is about Samsung One UI 8.5 versus OnePlus Oxygen OS 16. So let's see the major differences between them. What are the key differences between the Oxygen OS 16 and One UI 8.5 as explained in this video? Explain 10 differences in table form. So this is a prompt and let's press enter. And now this generates a comparison table between the features. So let's say I want to transcribe this video. So I will type transcript this complete video. And now Gemini will transcribe the video. So this I can use Gemini in Chrome to summarize any video. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.